Marius Tarve. My name is Hiram Kulkarni and I am from Council for Creative Education Finland. I head the strategy and ICT development at CCE. At CCE, we work on the creative pedagogy, or one of the critical element of the 21st century skills. What the Finnish curriculum is really working on is on the creativity and creative pedagogy. While working on that, what we found that when the educators come here to see the preschools from across the globe, they come across through this specifically some learning experiences, and they see some teaching methods, how they can be able to really work on that part. They come here, they visit. But what we found that after completing the training program, after completing the visits, there is some missing pieces are there. And what is that missing piece? We tried to work on that. What we found that the real crux of the Finnish early childhood education is it's in socio-emotional development, experiential learning, play-based learning, learning life skills at early age, and getting into this as a practical solution for the teachers, educators, preschoolers across the globe. And what we call it is a Finnish Preschool in the Box, or CCE Box, which is a Finnish Preschool in the Box. We got an inspiration from the Scala maternity pack. I had to take inspiration from that and create a box for the preschool, which is a second step of the life of a kid outside his secured home. And that's why, how about creating a preschool activities that encourage the learning and creativity for the age group of 3 to 7. And this is a physical box that what we are creating, and that's what we call as a Finnish Preschool in the Box. So it's a research-based pedagogical solution for the early childhood education based on the Finnish curriculum. That's what we are coming up with this model. This, we are shipping this as a 3 boxes per academic year for the preschool. This is mainly for the preschools and for the teachers and for the parents inside this box. So first, this will have a curriculum which is customized for that particular country, as well as customized with a learning framework. It has very interesting books by which you can be able to really implement the Finnish practices in your respective countries. More importantly, and that's the real crux of the story, is that material and content of this part is also based on the teaching methods, teaching guides, worksheets, and more importantly, fun games, which are very simple fun games by which you can be able to develop your kinesthetic skills, by gross motor skills, fine motor skills, fun-based learning, and all these things you can be able to find it what you are really doing in the Finnish preschools. These methods have been invented and have been adopted by the Finnish teachers in their regular daycares, and they have contributed to this part. So this is a really collaborative project what we are working on. But only content and this kind of games will not help unless and until teachers are equipped to know how they are using those games and activities. And so for that, we have the teacher training programs, which are online as well as in person, which are combined with that, and which tells how to create these learning planners and how to integrate the curriculum with these fun-based activities and how you achieve those goals. What we have connected, that this is the real glue of the part. We have collaborated with Kindidays, and Kindidays has a good platform through which we can be able to connect and inform the parents, update the parents, and teachers can be able to use the pedagogical documentation solution from this part. So this is a real underlying platform on which we can be able to document the things, as well as we can see how the things are implemented. And how on the pricing, we have make a very interesting pricing for all the parts, and we have come up with this very interesting pricing of €1 per day per student, and it's annual package that we are providing. We are providing 3 boxes containing all this content what we discussed. Just this is our business model, or business model canvas, which is front of us. So the major activities are in the part of the content development, which is right now already happening. On customer acquisition point of view, we have already got enough interest from different teachers as well as schools from across the globe, but mainly we are targeting first on the Taiwan market and then on the India market. That's the 2 markets what we are really focusing on. Taiwan market, we have already shipped one prototype box for the feedback, and the feedback is truly amazing. And by April 2020, we are shipping to the Indian market. And also for that, we have got a couple of good feedbacks, and now we are in the scaling part. So with this part, I would like to thank you for your attention.